Imagine you're watching a cricket match and every single person who's watching the match and those playing the match know that the umpire is compromised. How would you feel as somebody who's participating in the match? This is exactly what is happening in the Indian stock market. Over the last few years, larger and larger numbers of people have been investing in India's stock market. And it is my duty as leader of the opposition to bring to your notice that there is a significant risk in the Indian stock market because the institution that governs the stock market is compromised. A very serious allegation against the Adani Group was illegal share ownership and price manipulation using offshore funds. It has now emerged that SEBI chairwoman Madhavi Butch and her husband had an interest in one of those funds. This is an explosive allegation because it alleges that the umpire herself is compromised.